Alright guys, what's happening? It's a Saturday morning. Just came back from the post office to pick up my package. I know I said in my last video I ordered a Wrestling New Classic DVD, and I never thought that this package could be quite huge like that. So let's see what it is. Sorry about that. I had to balance the camera. When I keep it low like that, it's gonna fall. The green tape. Not the best looking tripod that I have. I hope to get a better one that can balance. Bubble wrap, cardboard. Holy crap. Holy shit. I never thought this DVD cover can be quite this huge. This is too beautiful right here. This is so beautiful. Tajiri, Philly, with several other Japanese wrestlers: Kana, Shuri, Makoto, Akira, the WNC World Heavyweight Champion, and Shuri, the WNC Women's Champion. Don't know who these two dudes are. I'm gonna look up some information about them. So that was it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace to y'all.